I'm gonna try and keep it all together. Just squeeze it in. Oh yeah, see how well that worked? That was dandy. Ooh. Okay, just a little bit at a time then. Yeah, okay. Here is my most amazing, fully constructed, rock solid frame for the bass trap. This is the stuffing. Ooh, that's the good stuff. Where's all the stuffing? The stuffing's right here in a triangular form. A long triangle. Oh, it fits really good though. Once it gets in there. That's cool. Oh yeah. One more. There it is. The one that got away. Come here, you. I care about you. Let's bring you home. Definitely nice and snug. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Well, let's do all that over again. It's better every time. That's great. Should probably just put the burlap on it. That's all I can come up with. Yep. No. Oh no. I need two feet of burlap. I could put it diagonally because that would cover it all, but then the stitch, the actual pattern, maybe I'm thinking too much about it. It'll probably still look cool. Let's just it's like a vacuum of sound. Yeah, it's a little crazy on the back end, but what isn't, if you know what I'm saying. But it's fancy on the front end. Yeah. Time to put it in the corner where it belongs. Nobody puts baby in the corner, but you can put no one puts bass in the corner because it's a bass trap. But speaking of baby, Sonny is awake, so I gotta go. Yep. Okay.